Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The easiest or fastest approach you can use to switch from Google Gemini to Google Assistant is go ahead and open the Gemini app on your Android. Then once you open the Gemini app, click on the profile picture at the top right. Then go ahead and click on switch to Google Assistant. You see that? Then select Google Assistant and then click on switch. And that is it. Alternatively, to switch from Google Gemini to Google Assistant, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Google app on your phone. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Once you click on that, scroll down, locate and click on settings. On the Gemini settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Digital Assistant from Google. Then select Google Assistant, then click on switch from the pop, and that is it. So that's exactly how to switch from Google Gemini to Google Assistant on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.